Hi everyone, this is Manu Rao back with another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add the track sound for the coaches and also how to customize or change the horn of the locos. Because when we download any coaches from the trainsim.com, most of the coaches does not have inbuilt track sound in it. So in this video, I will show you how to add the track sound and also how to change or customize the horn of the loco. So please do watch the video till end and then you will come to know how to add track sound or how to change the horn of the loco. Open any browser and type trainsim.com. Click on trainsim.com. For downloading any coaches locos, you need to register in trainsim.com website. Then click on file library, click on search files. Come down for search for text, just type ICF sound. Then click on start search. Then you are able to see many results which are relating to ICF coach sound. You can download any one of these. All are relating to ICF coach sounds. I am downloading DC Coaches Sound version 4. Click on download. You will get this page. Click on I accept, start download. You can see that download has started. Now let's download ICF Coach. Click on file library and search files. In all files, just click that one and come little down. You can see that Microsoft Train Simulator Indian Passenger Cars. Just click that one. In search for text, just type ICF and click on start search. We are able to see many results which are relating to ICF coaches. Click on view. In view, we can see that whether this coach has sound or not. In this coach, there is no sound in it. So I am going to download this Jan Shatabdi coach. Click on download and click on I accept and download. We can see that Jan Shatabdi Express coaches has been downloaded. Just click on file library and search files. Just type WDM horn because we are going to download horn for WDM loco. Just click on start search. We are able to see many results which are relating to horns. I am downloading first one, GD WDM 3A loco horn zip. Click on download and click on I accept and start download. Yes, horn has been downloaded. Let's close browser. Let's open downloaded files. We can see that 3 files which we have downloaded from trainsim.com. Let's click first one and click on extract to DC coaches sound, and same for second one also, Jan Shatabdi. Click on that one and click on extract to Jan Shatabdi. Click on Jan Shatabdi coaches. Yes, we can see that there is no inbuilt sound or any sound folders in it. So we are going to add sound for it. Let's come back and open coach sound folder. We can see that many sound in it. Come back. Let's copy that sound folder. Click copy and go to Jan Shatabdi coaches. We have to paste that sound folder in Jan Shatabdi folder inside. What I am doing, see properly. We pasted. Just open that sound folder. We can see that ASWAG, EXWAG, passenger route SMS files. We need to copy that name. We can copy any one of them. I am just copying ASWAG. We can see that mini WAG file in Jan Shatabdi coaches. We need to open that WAG file with the help of Notepad. As we are opening in Notepad, as WAG file has been opened in Notepad, just come down. We can see that sound in bracket aswag.sms. Just paste the name what we have copied before. As click on file and then save. The main thing is that we need to copy the name of that SMS file which is there in sound folder. Now I am copying exwag SMS file name. The main thing is that we need to copy the name of SMS file what we get inside the sound folder. See, I am now just copying the name of exwag SMS file and coming back to Jan Shatabdi Coaches. Click WAG file, it will open in Notepad. Just come down, just rename ASWAG into EXWAG. That's it. Do the same for next WAG file. The important thing is that we need to copy the SMS file what we get in that sound folder. We can copy any SMS file that we get in sound folder, just rename in WAG file. And don't forget to save the file. Yes, this is the simple way of adding sound for the coaches. That's it. As we added the sound successfully, just copy the Jan Shatabdi Express coach, come to the directory where you install your train simulator, open train simulator, click on trains, click on train set and paste here. As we successfully installed sound for Jan Shatabdi coach. Now let's change the horn of the loco. I will show you how to change the horn of any locos. Now we have to extract GDWDM3A loco horn by clicking on extract to. As we extract it, let's open. We can see that VID2010 is the name of the horn. Let's open. We can hear the horn. So the thing is that just we need to open the loco zip. Now we are going to train simulator, trains and train set. I am editing velocity WDM 3A loco sound horn. As we get velocity, let's click on that. Let's click on sound folder. As we can see many sounds here, there is one sound called WDM3A. It is the horn of that original loco. Now we need to change this to what we downloaded. The thing is very simple. Just we need to rename the original loco horn name to what we downloaded. See, in original we have WDM3A, right? So we need to copy that WDM3A of original loco zip name. Then we need to come for what we downloaded sound. Just we need to paste that original name to this VID201 file. You can see that I am copying the name of original file, that is WDM3A. Now just I am pasting in the sound folder what we have downloaded from trainsim.com. As just copy that one and paste here. It will ask to replace. As we need to press on replace the file destination. Yes, we change the horn. We can hear the horn sound. As the horn is changed, that's it. It is very simple. We just need to rename the original file name to the downloaded one. That's it. It is very simple. Now I am going to show you with the working proof of working sounds and horn with playing gameplay. Let's open OpenRails. We can see that VTA WDM3D which we have edited horn, and also I used Jan Shatabdi coaches for this act so that we can see both horn as well as track sounds are working 100%. I hope it will help for some of the people, and thanks for watching my videos and keep supporting my channel. You can see that game is loading. Now we are hearing the honking sound which we have changed. Now we can hear the track sound of Jan Shatabdi Express coaches. Editing sound is very simple. Please follow my steps and do whatever I say. I think it is helpful for some of the people. Thanks for watching my video and keep supporting my channel.